In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install TradingView on Windows. We'll start from a clean slate and walk through the download and installation so you can be up and running quickly and safely. First, open your web browser and head to Google. Using a search engine helps you land on the official download page without memorizing links, and it's a good habit for avoiding imposter sites. In the search bar, type TradingView Download. As the results load, look for the official TradingView link that points to their desktop page. It should clearly show the TradingView domain and mention desktop. Click that result to go straight to the official download area. On the TradingView desktop page, you'll see download options for different operating systems. Because we're installing on Windows, look for the button labeled For Windows. That's the one we'll use. You'll also notice options for Mac OS and Linux right alongside it. Those are there in case you're setting up a different machine. It's useful to know these exist if you ever switch devices or share this guide with someone on another platform. Go ahead and click for Windows. Depending on the page layout and your system, you may see multiple installer choices such as different builds or architectures. Click the one that matches your computer. If you're unsure, the standard Windows installer is typically the right pick for most users. Your browser will begin downloading the installer. If you're prompted to keep or save the file, choose Save. You can monitor progress in your browser's downloads area. When the download finishes, open your Downloads folder and double-click the TradingView installer file. If Windows shows a security prompt asking for permission to make changes, click Yes. This is normal for trusted desktop apps. The setup wizard will guide you through installation. If you're not sure about specific options, the default settings are usually best. Choose the installation location if you want to change it, or leave it as is. You can also allow it to create a desktop shortcut so it's easy to find later. Click Install and wait while Windows completes the process. When the installer finishes, you can launch TradingView right away. The app should open to the main interface where you can explore charts and tools. If you already have a TradingView account, you'll be able to sign in from within the app. If not, you can continue as a guest and decide later. That's it. You searched via Google, went to the official TradingView desktop page, chose the Windows download, picked the appropriate installer, and completed the setup. Enjoy your new TradingView desktop experience on Windows.